Do you know that people living around the Mediterranean Sea are renowned for their vibrant health and impressive longevity? Today, we'll explore 5 ways the Mediterranean diet can transform your life. Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. The Mediterranean diet has been celebrated for decades. Countries bordering the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, like Spain, France, and Italy, have average lifespans approximately 4 or 5 years longer than the average life expectancy in the United States. But the good news is that you don't have to pack your bags and relocate to enjoy the transformative power of this dietary approach. The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating inspired by the traditional habits of these regions, and research suggests that it offers a wide variety of benefits. And listen to this as we explore the top 5 ways the Mediterranean diet can transform your health. Number 5. The Mediterranean diet can prolong your life. Research from the Journal of American Medical Association Internal Medicine suggests a possible association between the Mediterranean diet and a longer lifespan. The Mediterranean diet is rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats play a role in maintaining a healthy cholesterol profile. The abundance of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide a steady stream of antioxidants and key nutrients like vitamins and essential fatty acids. The emphasis on fiber-rich foods also plays a part. These all contribute to a stronger immune system and help you with your weight management. And as we all know, maintaining a healthy weight is a well-established factor in living a longer life. Embrace a traditional Mediterranean dinner. Bake sea bream, roast zucchini or tomatoes, and drizzle them with olive oil and basil. This complete and balanced meal exemplifies the delicious and health-promoting philosophy of the Mediterranean diet. Number 4. The Mediterranean diet can promote mental wellness. Are you overwhelmed by stress or feeling down in the dumps? The Mediterranean diet might be able to lift up your spirits. Studies published in the journal Psychiatry Research suggest a link between this way of eating and improved mood regulation. Alongside a reduction in depressive symptoms, chronic low-grade inflammation has been linked to mood disorders. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole foods rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help reduce the inflammation in your body. This may positively impact mental well-being by protecting brain cells from damage caused by inflammatory signals and promoting the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine play a significant role in happiness, calmness, and motivation. Indulge in hummus. This chickpea spread is a nutritional powerhouse rich in protein and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, potentially reducing stress-induced cravings that can contribute to mood swings. Number 3. The Mediterranean diet can give your brain a boost. As we age, memory and focus can naturally decline, but the Mediterranean diet could stave that off. Studies show that people who followed this diet for a year exhibited improvements in cognitive function, including memory, focus, and even learning new things. This way of eating provides the fuel for optimal performance. It's packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and key nutrients like vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are essential for brain cell function, communication, and protection from damage. I suggest you snack on a handful of hazelnuts or pine nuts. These brain-boosting treats are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants to keep your mind functioning at its best. And number 2, the Mediterranean diet can shield you from cancer. Mounting research suggests that the Mediterranean diet offers a shield against certain cancers. Studies show a link between this dietary pattern and a reduced risk of several cancer types, including colorectal, breast, and stomach cancers. Several factors likely contribute to this potential benefit. The Mediterranean diet is a treasure trove of polyphenols, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, all staples in this way of eating, brimming with these powerful compounds. These act as antioxidants, helping combat free radicals. Unstable molecules can damage cells and contribute to cancer development. Chronic inflammation has also been linked to various cancers. The Mediterranean diet can reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially lowering your cancer risk. Finally, a healthy gut microbiome nurtured by the fiber in the Mediterranean diet may play a role in cancer prevention. The good bacteria in your gut can help regulate the immune system and potentially influence cancer cell growth. Start your day with a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with berries and pumpkin seeds. This breakfast provides a powerful dose of gut-friendly probiotics and fiber to kickstart your day. And number 1, the Mediterranean diet can protect your heart. Studies like those published in the journal Circulation Research shows that the Mediterranean diet, rich in healthy fats like olive oil, can significantly improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots. This translates to a healthier cardiovascular system, reducing your risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death in the United States. How does olive oil work its magic? It's packed with monounsaturated fat, a type of healthy fat that benefits your blood vessels in 2 ways. First, it helps raise HDL, the good cholesterol, which scavenges LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, preventing it from sticking to artery walls. Secondly, it may help relax blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow and reducing strain on the heart. I suggest you whip up a classic Mediterranean vinaigrette. Combine extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice and a hint of mustard, then sprinkle with dried oregano or thyme. And for a touch of sweetness, add a few drops of honey. Drizzle this flavorful dressing over grilled eggplants or bell peppers and crumbled feta cheese. And that wraps up the 5 ways the Mediterranean diet can help transform your health. Are you feeling inspired? We'll help you get started on your Mediterranean journey. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes a few key dietary choices that contribute to its overall health benefits. And extra virgin olive oil takes the center stage. This liquid gold has been used for cooking for many thousands of years, and it's used for salad dressings and marinades as well. And this adds a touch of healthy fat and flavor to your meals. Next, you have to pile on the colors. Filling your plate with a vibrant rainbow of fresh fruits and vegetables is a daily must. Aim for at least 5 servings to reap the benefits of this nutrient-rich powerhouse. The Mediterranean approach celebrates seasonal bounty, so explore what's fresh and delicious throughout the year. Swapping refined carbohydrates for whole grains is another key principle. Instead of white bread and pasta, opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and barley. These complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy and essential nutrients, keeping you fuller for longer. And don't forget the powerhouse of nuts and legumes. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Incorporate a handful of nuts into your daily routine and explore adding lentils, chickpeas, and beans into your meals to boost your overall well-being. And finally, savor the bounty of the sea more often. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids important for heart and brain health. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of seafood per week to experience the benefits of these delicious additions to your meals. The Mediterranean diet offers a delicious and practical approach to transforming your health. This way of eating unlocks a wealth of benefits for a longer, happier life. Have you tried the Mediterranean diet? Do you have a favorite dish from the Greek islands or the shores of Italy? Type your thoughts in the comments section below and share this video with all your friends and family who are passionate about healthy living. And join us again in the next episode of Dr. Hanz, MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health.